Have you ever wanted to make money while you're sleeping? Yeah, I said it. Make money while you're sleeping. No, not like $100, but like millions of dollars while you're actually sleeping. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do just that. Stay tuned. How's it going? My name is Marcus Lee, and this is Mastering Your Kingdom. In Mastering Your Kingdom, we teach individuals how to be at their highest version of themselves. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money while you're sleeping. How do you make money while you're sleeping? Well, this is a term that I got from Rich Dad Poor Dad when I first read it. And basically what he's talking about is there are people in the world that actually make money while they're sleeping. Now, of course, you're going to have to do some work, but the truth is that once the work is done, you will make what we call residual income, sometimes from every single day to every single month, or maybe every single year. I'm going to give you 5 ways with one bonus tip at the end of how to make money while you sleep. Here's tip number 1. The first way of how to make money while you're sleeping is real estate. There are people all over the world who own hundreds of properties all over the world. When it comes to real estate, you can own a single family home, multi-unit, duplex, you can own commercial property, and the list goes on and on. The way that you make money while you sleep with real estate is because of the fact that initially you put the money down for the property. You may have to do some renovations, but in the end, once all of the things are done, you can actually hire a property management company and never have to touch your real estate again. This is the definition of how you make money while you're sleeping. You've already did your part, and now it's time for the tenants to pay up. There are people all over the world that have taken this philosophy that have turned themselves into millionaires, literally millionaires. So for rule number 1, real estate is how you make money while you're sleeping. Rule number 2, stocks. The stock market is a great way that people have been investing for hundreds of years. All the stock market is companies offering a percentage of their companies, we call this shares, and based on how many shares that you own, you get paid what we call dividends. Now, depending on the company, you can get paid quarterly or you can get paid monthly. There are people all over the world that have invested in the stock market that are making tons of money while they sleep. Let's say you invest in Apple for $500 for 5 shares. Depending on what the company's return ratio is, you will actually get a percentage of whatever Apple makes at the end of the quarter. Now that's the definition of literally not doing anything and making money while you sleep. And that is tip number 2. Tip number 3. Having an online business. We're in the world where you can sell literally anything on the internet. And there are people who are making 6 figures to even millions of dollars by just selling things on the internet. I'll give you an example. Say you decide to sell things on Amazon. It's a fantastic way of selling products where Amazon does all the work of delivering, and all you have to do is pay for the products that you're selling. But you can even take it a step further by finding someone to do what we call drop shipping your product. You see, by drop shipping a product, what this means is that when a person orders on Amazon, you will be notified that you have a sale. And based off of that sale, you'll tell the person that's going to drop ship your product to send the product directly to Amazon. And then what Amazon will do is send the product to the customer. You see, by doing this, you literally have to do nothing but just pay for the product. People do this when it comes to wholesaling products on Amazon or even just wholesaling products on their own very own sites. This is a direct way of making money while you sleep. And that is tip number 3. Tip number 4, Airbnb. Now, I don't know how it gets much better than this. I mean, you're literally making money while you sleep because it's an Airbnb. Most people think that in order to do an Airbnb, you actually have to own a large property or own multiple units. But the truth is that you can Airbnb a house that you're actually living in as a host. And literally, while you're sleeping, that person is paying for the stay in your house. Now, this is a direct way of making money while you sleep. And that is tip number 4. Tip number 5, selling an ebook. For all of those creatives out there who feel like there's something that they want the world to know, you can actually sell an ebook. Now, the reason that I say an ebook is because an ebook is different than an actual physical copy. Now, if you had a physical copy, that takes the fun out of making money while you sleep, because now you have to have a distributor and you have to have someone to send the books out to the people. But if you have an ebook, all you have to do is download the ebook onto multiple platforms and people can buy your book online. When it comes to making money while you sleep, there have been thousands of people who've sold ebooks and have made millions of dollars. If you don't believe me, try writing your own. And that's tip number 5. For my bonus tip, we're going to talk about something that I did a video on before, and that's credit cards. You may be thinking, wait, how can you make money while you're sleeping with credit cards? Credit cards actually have reward systems that allow you to make money just by simply making a purchase. Say you made a purchase that night and you wake up the next day, well, technically, you've made money while you're sleeping. Credit cards can be a dangerous thing if you don't know how to use them. But if you do know how to use credit cards and you have the right one, you can make hundreds of dollars and also have hundreds of other benefits when it comes to using your credit card. If you stuck with me this long, I want to personally thank you for watching Mastering Your Kingdom. If you liked this video and thought this was helpful, go ahead and like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be notified for every video that's posted, make sure you hit that notification bell. My name is Marcus Lee, and this is Mastering Your Kingdom. Take care.